This data is getting so big that it is distorting every aspect of IT. So if you're a CIO, you're into technology, data will determine your architecture and everything you do. It is completely distorting the computer systems that IBM builds and our competitors build. It's fundamentally a problem of the data is so big, I can no longer move it. I can no longer process it. Some of this data is so big it takes days, even at 100 gigabits per second, to move across the network. So in a sense, we now have to move the compute to the data because the data has so much gravity in one place. Analytics, storage, everything now is being completely distorted because of the size and density of this data. So we need to sort of think ahead here because the old compute paradigms, the old networks, cannot deal with this. Absolutely cannot deal with this. And that, of course, then affects where do you go to put your applications next. So when you look at cloud, it is basically consuming IT in every industry. As this chart shows, the government very soon will be 2/3 on the cloud. If you look at banking, it's going to be half on the cloud. I think that's dramatically underestimated, but that's sort of published estimates. And when you look at media and entertainment, 3/4 and probably 80–90% of it is going to be on the cloud. So cloud technology is not sort of a passing fancy or something that, while you push your photos up to the cloud. It is really transforming every single industry. So for those of you that are not participating in the cloud, very, very important that you understand the implications of this, because again, it will either give you a competitive advantage if you move there first and quickly, but if you're last there, your competitors are going to really do some damage